Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial we will be learning how to set your document margins and how to set your text indentations. In the previous tutorials I have told you how to perform the text indentations in the paragraph, and one of the ways that you can do that is to place the insertion point on the first line of your paragraph. For example, if this is how my paragraph is, I can press the tab and that will going to indent my paragraph. This is the first line indentation effect. On the other hand, if you click on the Home tab in the paragraph group, if you click the Launch button, you can see under Special that after I press the tab, it moved it to first line. So now that you can see that instead of using special first line, you can choose special hanging as another option. And as you use special hanging and click OK, notice how the paragraph is structured, that the first line doesn't hangs, for the first line doesn't indent inwards, rather all the other lines are indented inwards. And you can always be using undo to take it back to the way it was before. That was the first line indentation. So that's a little bit about indenting your paragraphs. Second of all, you can also control the line spacing. For example, if you want to have a double-spaced paper, you can select the paragraphs or the entire document that you want double-spaced. Then in the Home tab, in the paragraph group, you can click the Launch button. Or right from here in the paragraph group, you have a line and paragraph spacing button. Either way, you can increase the spacing. So if I click on this option, here I have double spaced option already checked. If I want to go triple space, I can go triple space. I want to stay in double space, I can go double space. If I want to go back to single liner, you can see the difference between all three options. So this is how you can double space your paper. So these are some of the options that are pertaining to the paragraph indentations and the line spacing. Now we're going to move on to how you can go about moving, let's say, these two lines, or I would like to add some more text here. Let's say right over here. I want this text to be indented from both sides, left as well as the right hand side. So I can select this text, or I can place my insertion point anywhere within the paragraph, and I can go into the Page Layout tab. And in the paragraph group, I can increase the left and the right indent. That's going to squish this paragraph from both directions inwards. So for example, if I go under left and I go up to, as you can see, it's moving inwards from the left. And if I increase the number from the right, it's moving inwards from right as well. Now after that, as you can see, the paragraph doesn't run smoothly on both sides because currently the alignment is set to left. I can triple click on a paragraph to select the entire paragraph, then go to the Home tab and change the alignment of the paragraph to justify. And here you go, you have justified the paragraph. So these are some of the initial properties that pertains to the working of some of the initial skills in Microsoft Word, such as changing the line spacing, changing the alignment, changing the indentation, and changing the indentation of the first line. Similarly, you can also control the before and after spacing of a paragraph. Let's say if I want my paragraph number 2, which is I have been working with JCL Kent, the paragraph, to be spaced out a little bit farther from the paragraph above, I can first of all click inside anywhere in the paragraph, then go to the Page Layout tab, then go to the spacing option in the paragraph group. And this is where I can be increasing my after spacing. And as you can see, as I increase my after spacing, the line moreover I am currently working and buying the house below goes farther and farther away from I have been working with JCL Kent paragraph. If I decrease, it starts coming closer. Similarly, I can be increasing the before space, and as you can see, I hope this letter finds you, and I have been working with JCL. They are being distant out a little bit. So you can control the before and after spacing of a paragraph as well. Well, that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll be exploring some of the other properties. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.